This course bridges academic theories and real-world practices. We focus on developing students' impact skills, transferable skills that enhance their personal brand and allows the students to explore a wide range of career opportunities in financial services, consulting, and technology sectors. We also have a flexible curriculum design, which allows the students to customize their educational experience to match their career aspirations and their academic background. WBS is the perfect school to teach this course. We have world-class faculties with both academic expertise and industry experience. We welcome applicants from a wide, diverse range of backgrounds. I would really encourage you to apply. This course will truly enhance your employability and career prospects.